My husband and I are out here harvesting, and we harvested some limes. And all this time I thought I had a lemon tree, but it turns out to be a lime tree. And when you pick your limes, you just want to pick it off of here. You don't want to cut the branch because there's going to be other fruit next season growing from here. And then I came out here and I had no idea. So we do have some blueberries, and I'm also going to be harvesting these as well. So I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to pick them. Just want to gently tilt it. Okay, and there you go. So I'm going to show you guys again. Just want to grab the blueberry and grab it and tilt. Like, you don't want to pull the whole branch and stuff like that. Okay. Yeah. Here are some more, and I'm just gonna grab the blueberry and pull just a little bit. Okay, grab and pull just a little bit. And then with the raspberries, they're starting to turn red, so hopefully we'll be getting some of those soon.